Bonjour, a lot of you have been asking me questions related to class 10 syllabus. So here I am back again with another question which is interrogation. So this is also one of the important questions which will be coming in your board exam. So let's quickly jump into today's video. First part, saisir, sans, brune. We need to understand about what are we talking in the sentence. So here we are talking about color. So what is the question for color? The calculator. The calculator, which is the verb given in the sentence, sans. So you have to take the same verb, sans. Many a times we make this mistake, we make it a fixed question and we write the calculator sans tes yeux or vos yeux. But we need to see what is given here, ses yeux. We're talking about third person. So if it is third person, it's going to remain same. Says ear. The calculator sans ses yeux. Which color are his eyes? Next part, ils font du vélo. So what do you think? What will be the question? Ils font du vélo. They're doing cycling. What are they doing? So qu'est-ce qu'ils font? Qu'est-ce qu'ils font? Third part, si elle est venue hier. So this is a sentence which is given in si. So do you remember? I've already taken this concept before. With si, the question will always be negative. So we start with est que. You can either use inversion also, that is also fine. I am taking est here. Est, it's given in which tense? Passé composé. So we'll make negative. Est-ce qu'elle n'est pas venue hier? So when the sentences are given in C, make the question in negative. Next part, pour acheter des fleurs. For buying flowers. Can you see pour is given separate here? When separate pour is given, we make a question with pourquoi, but it is separate. Okay, two types of pourquoi exist. One is the joined one when we write it in the complete way pourquoi, and one is like this, the way I'm writing separate. Pourquoi, for what? Okay, so for buying some flowers, because why I'm writing it separate? Because pour is given. This is given, that's why I'm writing it separate. So for what? And now you can continue. For what are you going to the market? Pourquoi vas-tu au marché? For what are you going to the market? For buying flowers. Last part. No, je ne veux ni le chocolat, ni le bonbon. So it's neither nor case. So we have to put the same thing in the question. Est-ce que, we'll take the same verb which is given here. That's which verb? Vouloir. Est-ce que tu veux? We'll take the articles. We'll take the articles because the articles are given here. Est-ce que tu veux le chocolat? Do you want chocolate? Ou le bonbon or the sweet? So we'll take this, okay? And when the answer will be there, it will be no, je ne veux, because same person is talking about two different nouns. Okay? Same person is talking about two different nouns. That is why we have made the question with neither nor. So, est-ce que tu veux le chocolat ou le bonbon? These days, I am making the videos related to class 10 students because I feel they need it the most because the board exam is very near. But still, if you want me to make video on any of the topic, do put it down in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to make the video. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir.